Hello, everybody. I hope we all are keeping well and safe. Thank you so much, all my viewers. Thank you, all my members. Thank you, all my supporters. You know, my subscribers. I say, God bless you. I hope we all are having a wonderful Christmas at this season. You know, of, showing love to one another, forgiveness, and, keeping well. Today, guys, what you are seeing in front of you today is called air fryer. Air fryer. Okay? This is a modern kitchen appliance that the technology has produced now, that we don't need to be using oil to be frying our fish, our chips, frying whatever we want to fry. You know, preparing our meal. So technology has made this air fryer now more healthy, you know, for us to get a meal ready on our table. Okay, guys? So I'm going to be telling you more about this air fryer, what it does, you know, the usefulness. Okay, guys? Like I was saying, an air fryer is a popular kitchen appliance. It's used to make fried food such as meat, pastry, potato chips, fish, baking, you know, grilling. You grill your meat, you know. It works by circulating hot air around the food to produce a crunchy, crispy extractor. Okay? This is what it does. When you fry your food, you can do bole. You know, we Nigerians, we like plantain. You can fry plantain. You can do bole, you can do roast yam, you can do fried yam, you can do anything you want. You can roast your nuts, you know, you can do popcorn with it, you know. So what are the best food to cook in, you know, in an air fryer? Crispy air fryer, baked potato, crispy air fryer, bacon, you know, juicy air fryer, pork chops, you know, sweet potato, mozzarella sticks, you know, buttermilk fried chicken, air fryer chocolate chips, cookies. This can do them. Air fryer, we call it, you know, I will say it is an open up a world of cooking possibilities for you. That is what air fryer does. So guys, go down now the shops. It's not too late now. Maybe like the ladies, you know, that likes healthy cooking for the family. Why not ask your hubby to buy you an air fryer for a Christmas present, or for a New Year present, or on your birthday present? Yes, you can cook anything in air fryer. Sausage, anything, name it. Anything cookable, anything we always fry before in a fry pan with oil can be cooked in an air fryer. Air fryer take just a little amount of, you know, healthy oil to spray on whatever you cook with the air fryer. Air fryer can fry you gari. Yes. If you want to ask me which is the best overall air fryer in the market, I wouldn't give you any name to say go and buy a favorite and cross, or go and buy most versatile, or buy short order cook, or buy blah, blah, blah. No, just buy the one that your money, you know, is able to afford. As long as it's air fryer. Mine is more health good man's. So I wouldn't tell you this is the best air fryer in the market. All air fryer does the same thing. It's like, you know, it's like you want to buy a fridge or whatever. The one that suits you, the one that your money can afford, go for it. As long as it's air fryer, it's durable. Air fryer is durable, is handy, is quick and easy to use. Okay, guys? Guys, why I love using air fryer is the reason why I chose to get air fryer is all my food are crispy, you know, and the hot circulation head close to the food make it crispy and amazing. The air fryer is perfect for reheating food to get a crispy texture, like pizza, chicken tenders, or anything that, you know, that can use quick crispy without turning on the big oven. Cooking frozen food, you can use air fryer. Trust me for that. You can cook an egg in an air fryer, you know. Add a small aluminum pan, you know, to the basket of an air fryer. Crack both eggs into the aluminum pan and return to the air fryer and cook at 325 degrees until your desired, doneness. For over a hard egg, this take approximately 8 minutes. Some question people will ask, how do I clean my air fryer? No, air fryer, on the other hand, are relatively clean. The cooking basket is completely unclosed, so which eliminates splattering and all the fat, grease, or oil in your food. Dips down into a little pan below. It's just that pan that you will take out and clean every time you use it. Okay? Some people might ask, is it safe to use aluminum foil in an air fryer? Yes, as long as you use it correctly. Remember to avoid acidic food in the aluminum foil, since they decompose the foil. Also, avoid putting aluminum foil without anything to hold it, because it can be stuck into the, heating element. So use a non-stickable foil paper in your air fryer. So these days, technology has made, they have replaced, air fryer instead of you using deep fryer. Deep fryer consume a lot of oil and it's not healthy. Deep fryer, yeah, we use in those, but now technology has refined it in a way that now air fryer has replaced it. Air fryer is the best to fry thousands of chicken for parties. So they got various sizes of air fryer. For a small family, for a big family, for a larger family, for one single family, yes, go for it. They have different, different varieties and different sizes of air fryer that you can go for. Okay, guys. Some people will ask, can I use water to put in the air fryer? Yes, you can add water to the air fryer drawer when cooking fatty food like chicken thighs or bacon, to prevent smoking. Yes, there are something under it that you can put a little water into it. You can use air fryer to cook your moi moi. Yes, guys, there is nothing you cannot do with air fryer. You can toast your bread inside air fryer. You can do sandwich. You can do a lot of things there. You can poach your egg in the air fryer. You can do your popcorn in an air fryer. Okay, guys, air fryer does a lot of things. It's healthy. It's healthy. That's why technology is so good that they refine things these days. Things are being refined, especially in the kitchen appliances, So go for air fryer, guys. Go anyone, like I said before, there are various kinds of products in the markets. You can choose the one you like. You can choose the one your money can afford. Okay, don't stress yourself. I went for the one that my money can afford. When I bought this, there's a load of air fryer there in that shop. I was like looking. I get confused. Then later I said, no, I need to look at my wallets, what I've got. And that ended me having this air fryer you are seeing in front of you now. Guys, do you know that air fryer cook quicker than oven? On the other hand, air fryers are rapid air technology to create heat instead of an element, like oven use element, isn't it? That helps them heat up much more quickly than an oven. Okay?